Please tell me.
Yeah, I'm a warrior, alright.
Will allow for yourself.
Grab his crotch.
Listen, my older brother has been killed. I need to
Oh.
find my younger brother and 4 other friends.
Oh.
4 other... I thought there was 3. Come with me. I'll be your friend too. Make it 5, buddy.
You can only help yourself. I'm going to free you.
Yeah, talk about insanity.
Liking the game so far, Jake?
I'm gonna free you. Yeah, give me a ship off this island right now.
Well, you can't, because you gotta save your friends.
On the beach. Welcome to a man.
You found me on the beach, next to this party.
Something, isn't it, huh? Salamat, Tengahari. I have Jess and Brody with me.
Jason Brody! I'm sorry, I kind of had to do that.
It's a sign that the battle has turned.
No, it's not.
Our people are in need of good news.
So,
I'm not joining your people.
Island.
Don't you want to join these natives?
No.
Jake,
I don't want to speak with them in their stupid Ching Chong Hawaiian language. No one here should be speaking English. Probably.
most definitely.
I don't know where we are.
that booty. You have a big scar on your forehead, sir.
Here. Cash for weapons.
Oh.
You want to save your brother, right?
Cash for weapons. Yeah, right. Cash for a visa out of here.
What do they say in America? There's a first time.
When or
How would you know about America?
Yeah, buddy. How do you know?
You are clearly like a hired mercenary or something. $60 for a gun. Are you serious? Devlin, is a gun actually $60?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Why do I not want to believe that?
Buy a handgun.
That
for
is-
$60.
Sure. Just buy a Colt. Buy one that was used in World War II for $60. Yup.
Oh, you're gonna love the weapon swaps in this game.
What? I don't understand.
The scientists.
Oh. Oh, that's it. Just accept. Okay. Sure. Great.
Those radio towers online.
How do I equip a gun?
You can't. You're in a village right now.
That's bull.
You wanted to shoot all those dancing happy people.
I sure do. They're asking for it.
The island.
There's this guy named Va here, whatever.
No, Vaz is your enemy. That is.
Va humbug.
That's.
Scramblers, bro.
I don't know.
Yo, what is that glowing thing?
A plant.
I want it. I want to take it home. Oh, my hands. Yeah.
The scramblers are at the top.
Green leaf.
Each tower covers a limited.
Dude, I'm leaving you. You're boring.
Reveal the entire map.
Come here. I'm going to shoot you so hard. Wait, can I shoot him?
It's green.
Can I, does...
He's friendly.
Am I able to shoot him, though? Will he die if I shoot him?
No, you cannot shoot him.
Dang it!
See, now it's white. Oh.
Great. See, this is pretty much how I play Fallout. Like, the first time I played that. Like, the first guy who seemed like a bad guy who I could shoot, I did. And it caused a lot of trouble.
Go to the radio tower.
Alright. Great, I gotta get all the way up there.
Maybe there's a vehicle nearby that you could.
Leaving mission zone.
Okay.
Does it want me to...
It wants you to Skyrim that.
That is so bad. Why would I not go up the side?
Tower.
What? Hello?
Hold triangle. No, Jake, follow the path.
What path?
That path.
This is not a path.
That's a path.
This is bull is what it is.
That's a path is what it is.
Great.
Have fun going up that tower, by the way. You're gonna love it.
I heard something. That's what I heard. How do I kill it? Like that?
Harvest it. Wait, can you harvest snakes in this game? Nope.
$28.
Yeah, son, you could buy half a gun with that.
God. Photo of a dwarf. Great.
Don't you love dwarf photos?
It's not that tall.
Facebook. Wonderful, wonderful Facebook.
Don't look down.
Oh. I thought this was the top. Yeah, this is pretty tall. Interact. Why am I doing this again?
Because you love it?
Because some guy I don't trust told me to.
All day, every day?
What?
Guess what? This is all on your map now.
Turn on electricity, get all nature. Do I have to descend down the tower? No, I don't. Excellent. Can I jump?
I wouldn't hit X if I were you.
Nice ride, huh?
Dennis!
It's done.
Can I shoot you, Dennis?
Good.
I don't like your face.
Why don't you like his face?
I don't like his face.
Are his lips too big?
He's black.
Wow, Jake.
Inches.
Dude, I don't care.
And
Yeah.
for every tower. It is the natural order.
Every true warrior must know how to quick travel.
Every true warrior must know how to FPS.
Society has taught you how to fail.
Isn't it?
Every warrior needs open world.
Every warrior does need that.
Can I get out now?
Nope.
Please.
Now, if you
I'm glad that I know that there's a boar over there.
That's a boar breeding ground?
I'm glad that I just know that.
You know the boars are there?
you enhance your
I'm glad I suddenly know the entire land.
turn to me once you have mastered the jungle.
What does that mean? What am I supposed to do?
Listen to your instincts.
Jason, stop asking questions, please.
What do you do?
I am out of here.
Get in that! Get in it!
Yes. Hold. Interact. Hold for
And the
feelings.
game is frozen.
Is it really? Okay.
Oh.
Nice.
It had to process so much. R1.
Oh. Okay. That's a weird button for gas, but... Well, not really, but...
You are just pedaling to the metal right now, aren't you?
Duh.
You've arrived at your destination.
Sure did. Thanks, Siri. I don't see a boar. Oh well.